आओ जरा, नशा है सब में मगर रंग नशे का है जुदा। लोग कह शराब में होता तो नाचती।
Hello guys, so we have come with the friends to Mala, this beautiful church. It's a very nice place. Mala is so beautiful. There are so many tourists around here. This is our car, by the way. Complete tourist place. So guys, we had a lovely day today. Pray kiya, obviously for the incident which has happened. And सुबह से मैं फास्टिंग कर रही हूँ, तो अभी बजे है लगभग 4:45 and everybody has eaten their food. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm gonna go and grab something to eat, probably a pasta or something. And everybody else, since they've eaten, they will probably have some coffee or something with me. So check them out, they're all doing their own things. Check it out, guys. Everybody are enjoying. The sun is almost setting and we are in Mala. Catch you after some food. Guys, Mala has some really amazing little cafes. Check it out.
आगे चले, पहले कॉफी पी लेते हैं। आ जाओ,
अभी आगे भी बहुत है। So we've got some lovely places here. Amazing tourists. A lot of little cafes here. Let me show you around. I'm going to take you on a proper tour to Mala, which I've made a proper vlog. And so guys, definitely follow that vlog and you will see what the real Mala is all about. And this is the real Mala. Check it out. I would like to come and stay here and be a tourist. Wouldn't you? Look, wouldn't you like to come and stay here and just be a tourist?
Yeah.
For a few days? Actually, Goa is such that one would like to just be a tourist for the day. Look at this lovely place.
Yeah, यार ये तो आपने कभी डिस्कवर ही की?
Edera Cafe.
matcha.
Discover, let me go and see.
Can you imagine, this is a little pathology laboratory, Dr. Francesca's laboratory. छोटी सी जगह है, बट इंसान का खून टेस्ट करते हैं और बाकी सब भी टेस्टिंग हो सकती है यहाँ पे। और आगे देखते हैं क्या है। चेक, oh wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Are you enjoying Mala?
Yes, of
Mala is lovely, isn't it? Okay, say it then.
I would love to own this house.
She would like to own this house. Isn't it absolutely
I want to buy
gorgeous?
this.
Huh, you like it?
I want to buy it. I want to buy
You want to buy it? पर तुम्हारा ट्यूडर हाउस का फिर क्या होगा?
वो बाहर गया।
15 बेडरूम का ट्यूडर हाउस है इनका, वो छोड़ के उसको यहाँ रहना है। वैसे जगह बड़ी प्यारी है।
This is so romantic.
It's so romantic. I think
बैठ के आप सिर्फ ड्रीम कर सकते हो और कुछ नहीं।
नहीं, भगवान कृपा करेंगे हो जाएगा, है ना? चलो, लेट अस
ऐसी कृपा भगवान नहीं करे हमारे
प्रे।
पर।
है?
ऐसी कृपा भगवान नहीं करे हमारे पर।
क्यों भाई? क्यों भाई?
यहाँ पे नो
It is a very beautiful house. सोचो,
नॉट फॉर मी।
डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन गाइस, डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन, क्या कर सकते हैं। पर ये माला सुपर्बली खूबसूरत जगह है, छोटी छोटी गलियां हैं और इसी में ही घूमने का मज़ा संडे इवनिंग का और है। छोटी छोटी गलियां, छोटी छोटी खिड़कियाँ और छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. Wow. He's really in love with themselves. Guys, look, check it out.
Self love is the best therapy.
Self-love is the best therapy for sure.
इनमें और मोदी जी में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है.
बोलिए बोलिए. नहीं बोलिए बोलिए.
इनमें and Modi ji में no difference. Same. 500 photographs in a day.
Everybody are waiting.
You waiting for me?
Yes.
Start
I'm
walking
waiting for you.
Start walking backwards.
Right.
Click. ये click नहीं है, record है. It's recording. हाँ, it's recording.
Wow.
Do you know when it called love, when two become one, and I felt like a boom in your arms I called home. Do you know when it called love, when two become one, and I felt like a boom in your arms I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
A shoot going on, guys. Let's do it.
Do you know when it called love?
चेक करो सर, आपका क्लोज है तो आपके लिए एक्स्ट्रा.
Photo shoot, wedding shoot, pre-wedding shoot. Pre-wedding. कब है इनका wedding?
We finally come to eat at my most favorite place, Casanoni. Awesome Italian food and awesome service and awesome staff. Christmas vibes are on. Christmas vibes are on. थके हुए क्यों हो?
आज आप थके हुए क्यों हो राजीव? नहीं, बट आप लग रहे हो.
आज रात को लेबनीज खा के ताकत आ जाएगी.
उसको बेली डांस करेंगे.
वहाँ बेली डांस
वहाँ
नहीं
belly
होता है.
dance
हम
नहीं
करेंगे,
होगा.
खुद करेंगे.
हम तो चलो खुद ही करेंगे. खुद
हम
करेंगे.
करेंगे बेली डांस.
करेंगे.
तो you get. अच्छा सुनो. Introduction दो कि we are in London House. We just saw a wedding shoot and we saw two lovers and then we are sitting in a coffee shop.
Okay, we walked past towards Casanoni
Yeah.
and we saw some couple having a pre-wedding shoot.
Pre-wedding shoot.
So we all,
As you all have seen earlier.
yeah, so we all were just discussing now that we are a bit of mature people. Bit of mature people. So we thought ki till our coffee arrives, let's have a chat.
Chat around love
Let's have a conversation
and our belief in love.
and I believe in love.
So who believes in
So
love?
who believes in love? The
I
first
don't.
thing is okay, Rajiv.
I don't.
He doesn't believe in love.
I don't believe in love.
At all.
At all.
Neither do I. Now,
I believe in love. I believe in love a lot. Love exists in many forms.
Bandhan. No, that is okay. Don't give a diplomatic answer. Both of
I'm
them
not
we
giving
can
a diplomatic
that-
answer.
So the question is
That I can give a speech
I want
on.
to ask you is, what is the meaning of love for you? So when you see these young people looking into each other's eyes,
No, that is not love.
what are they
That
doing?
is
What
not
is
love.
love?
I feel that's a fake.
That is
And I
normal.
don't
I
know
have
what
never
compromise
been in
state
love
are
in my
they in.
life.
See,
I
what
understand
they were
about-
doing.
I understand. Personally, I know about lust. I think a lot of men confuse lust for love.
Absolutely.
A woman's beauty, her body. Most men basically confuse the feeling of lust with love.
Absolutely.
As a man,
I agree with you.
I have never felt love. I've been married to this
Lust is-
woman
lust is
for the
not
last 12,
love.
13 years. I like her. I think she's very nice. Sometimes I really kuchi, baby. But you know what? I don't love her.
Same here.
How can you say that you don't love
I
her?
don't love her because I don't know what love
Okay,
is.
so but okay, you don't know. But then
I
it's a
will
good
take
companionship.
care of her.
ऊपर चला गया.
राजीव जी, मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछती हूँ कि अगर आप कहीं पे भी बाहर हो या मीनू जी घर पे है, तो when you come back home after a long trip, do you wish to run home?
No.
No, never.
Then that is not love.
I don't wish to, but I'm very happy to see her when I get back home.
So that is in a form love.
Yeah, but it's not that kind of old kuchi love that
No,
you were saying.
absolutely not.
That's puppy love.
वो जो था ना, वो एक रोमांस था
Yeah, we don't
जो
have that.
यंगस्टर्स के बीच में रहता.
अभी झूठ बोलने का नहीं
Mature
है.
love is very different, where you
Why love?
two people want to be with one another to enjoy the company. You miss the person.
So here is the deal. I am not dying to go into her arms when I come back. Are you?
Dying to go into somebody's arms is definitely not love, because that comes under lust.
Yes.
It's physical.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes.
When you miss someone with your thoughts, when you respect somebody so much, when you,
I
when
have
you
missed
trust
you.
somebody
He
so
I have,
much,
I have,
We
I have,
respect
I have
each
missed, I have missed her.
that
for
is
sure.
the love on a
I have
very,
missed her
very
for sure.
superior level.
We respect each other.
I
Absolutely.
have missed her, but I don't think that's love.
So I feel that is love on a very superior level.
Let's hear Anupa's view.
I feel love cannot exist if there is no respect. And if you respect
Respect.
a person, I think you love that person.
No, but then you
I
can
feel-
respect so many people in the world. Doesn't mean you go
No,
into
no,
loving
no, no,
everybody.
no, 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 no. I said if there is love, if there is respect, love still can exist.
No,
For me. I cannot love a person if that person doesn't.
I'm not too
so
sure.
let me
We
ask
need
you
your
something.
comments and your
Let me ask
input
you
on this. Is a very, very interesting debate.
Let me ask you something.
I'm also
So when
for
we saw this pre-wedding shoot,
respect and
there was
love
this
is
man, this woman wearing a red dress. She's looking into her eyes like, hey,
That is
मैं
not
डूब
love.
जाऊंगी. But why are they doing it then?
That is for memories. कि हमने
just
एक
for
बार
memory?
ये किया था, हम
Or
गोवा
is it,
गए थे.
or is it hormonal?
Is for friends.
Do you
I
think
feel
it's
it is for
hormonal?
Instagram. It is for social media, and it is for the friends and family to see
pre-wedding
what.
shoot होते हैं हमेशा. No. Let me speak. It was a pre-wedding shoot. Understand that now it's like a बंद हो रहा है तुम्हारा. It's like a screen. It's like puppy love. But for me, when I was
Puppy
crossing
love.
and I was
Puppy love.
looking at them, I was just thinking. I mean, like, it's like what compromise state are they in of life?
They are
I
very
can
young.
see-
They are still
I
very
can
young.
see
They are very
they
fresh.
Very young, fresh, and I think it's everybody goes through that phase. We are not that in phase anymore. Probably it's that, but coming to see nowadays, it's like with seeing so many things happening, there is nothing to.
You know, when I am coming from UK to Goa, एक हफ्ता बाकी होता है ना, मेरा टाइम नहीं निकलता है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक हफ्ता बहुत दूर है. बिकॉज आई एम लॉन्गिंग टू कम टू गोवा. फॉर मी दैट इज लव. जब मैं यहाँ पे जैसे मैं यहाँ पे लैंड करती हूँ ना,
So she loves Goa.
मैं जैसे यहाँ पे लैंड कर तो उल्टी गिनती चालू हो जाती है. अभी 21 दिन रहे, अभी 20 दिन रहे, अभी 19 दिन रहे. आई डोंट वांट टू गो बैक टू UK बिकॉज आई लव गोवा.
Yeah, understand. So there is a love for Goa.
There is a love for Goa. That is also one form of love.
For sure. But we were more focusing on a man and a woman, right?
I think what we saw earlier was just. I think it was a. I think they are young. They don't know what love is. अभी 2-4 बच्चे हो जाने दो, फिर पता चलेगा कि अभी प्री वेडिंग शूट करना है नहीं करना है.
I think मेरे को तो लगा कि they will
एक
hate each
बच्चा हो
other.
जाने से
एक
पहले
बच्चे के बाद भी पता चलेगा
पता
रात को कौन
चलेगा.
जागता है. फिर प्री वेडिंग शूट जो जाग रहा होगा ना वो बैठ के देखेगा कि क्यों किया था हम लोगों ने ये प्री वेडिंग शूट.
Fact.
That is not love. Love is when
I think marriages.
मैं कहती हूँ,
today's world,
मैं कहती हूँ.
A lot of marriages exist because of you don't have a choice.
no what
Very-
I feel
people can't break
प्यार
out
जो
of
है
it.
ना मैं एक
You
बात
get used to
बताऊँ.
something.
प्यार जो है ना
It's about
बर्तन,
the-
बर्तन.
It's about
मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. प्यार जो है ना प्यार दोस्ती है. Between a
correct.
men
I
and women.
understand
I
that.
feel
Between a
I feel-
women and women. Between a men and men.
I
Between
feel
whole
friendship true like a dost. I don't know in English. English में
प्यार दोस्ती है.
वो तो मैं कह रही हूँ बट फ्रेंडशिप हम बोलते हैं ना तो उसका वो
और हर एक के साथ
Weight
आप
हट
फ्रेंडशिप
जाता
नहीं रख सकते हो.
मेरी बात पूरी करने की नहीं दे रही हो.
I don't know. It's perfect.
मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जो फ्रेंडशिप है ना वो थोड़ा सा कम वेट वाला लगता है. जब हम दोस्ती बोलते हैं ना
हाँ.
दोस्ती इज गॉट लॉट ऑफ वेट इन इट.
और वो दोस्ती आप हर एक के साथ नहीं
हर रिश्ते से ऊपर होता है.
दोस्ती
प्यार
हर
हो
रिश्ते
जाता
से.
है
और वो होता है प्यार.
प्यार तो चला जाता है बट फ्रेंडशिप नेवर
Never ends.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
एंड
Absolutely.
Americano.
So guys, do share your thoughts and let's see what everybody has to say.
But there's
and,
cappuccino, right?
प्यार क्या है बिटवीन अ कपल. आजकल ये जो नौजवान यंगस्टर्स जो प्री
Brown
वेडिंग
sugar
शूट
trees.
होता है इज दैट लव. आई डोंट नो. मेरे लिए प्यार दोस्ती है. हस्बैंड
प्यार
वाइफ के
दोस्ती
बीच
है.
में भी हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में भी दोस्ती जब हो ना दे कैन बी टुगेदर फॉरएवर.
फॉरएवर.
हस्बैंड वाइफ
एक-
की जो दुश्मनी है वो
एक तरीके का वो प्यार है.
वो भी दोस्ती है.
प्यार दोस्ती
दोस्ती है तो
डेफिनेटली
झगड़ा
प्यार दोस्ती है.
हाथ
है. दोस्ती है तो झगड़ा भी है ना.
फिर तो और मैं झगड़ते रहते
हाँ
हैं.
जैसे हम
वो हमारी
लड़ाई
दोस्ती है.
लड़ाई के बाद आप लोगों में तड़प हो ना कि जल्दी हम पैचअप कर लें वो प्यार है.
That's true. जैसे हमने मॉर्निंग में किया था आज.
What do you think?
What?
लड़ाई के बाद जब पैचअप करने की तड़प हो वो प्यार है.
आप तो गाना खाने बड़ी आदत पड़ी हुई है.
लड़ाई के बाद जब
पंजाबी
एक दूसरे के
आदमी-
सामने देख के हंस पड़ते हैं ना वो
वो हंसना
पंजाबी आदमी
क्योंकि
ना.
ये तड़प फड़प इज नॉट इन माय डिक्शनरी
तेरे को भी
बट
है.
यस.
मैं अपना कमेंट देता हूँ.
और मुझे बहुत सारी लड़ाइयाँ पसंद नहीं है.
हम पंजाबी आदमी ना.
तो फिर पंजाबी तो लड़ाई करे बिना नहीं रहते.
इसको ना जब तक गाना ना खाए ना मेरे को प्यार नहीं आता.
मैं लड़ाई नहीं करती हूँ. मेरी डिक्शनरी में लड़ाई का शब्द नहीं है. आई लव एंड आई ओनली लव.
ढूंढने क्या इधर.
Oh, you're very welcome. You don't have to thank me. So guys, we have finally completed
Why is
the meal
cost
here
so
at
rich?
Raki. As usual, the Lebanese food that we enjoy. It has been a wonderful evening with the host Anupama. Hello. What was that? What was that?
That was a new buy.
What was that?
A new buy.
A new buy. That's a new buy. Okay, well that's a new buy. So guys, from now on this is gonna be the new buy. Bye. Radhe Radhe. Hey guys. So we have ended up in Starbucks. अभी हम लोगों ने दोपहर को खाना खाया. पूजा थी घर में तो ऑब्वियसली घर में फिर खाना था. उसके बाद 5 बजे हम लोग इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट गए कॉफ़ी पीने. वहाँ पे पिज़्ज़ा खाया, पास्ता खाया, कॉफ़ी पी. उसके बाद फिर घर आए, फिर घर पे खाना खाया, फिर रात को डिनर पे गए, फिर राकी में हम लोगों ने एटा लेबनीज खाया. उसके बाद खा के फिर पान खाने गए. पान खा के अब स्टारबक्स आए. ये जो हमारे दोस्त आए हैं ना देहरादून से, they are supreme people, full of life, super enthu, super energetic, and all I can say is they're absolutely full of life. उनके आगे I feel zero. मैंने तो ज़िंदगी ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने जी नहीं है. How much people enjoy, how much they want to enjoy, how much we want to make them enjoy. एक दिन में 8 प्रोग्राम अगर बन सकता है, you can imagine कि लोग कितना full of life है. And I think that is so good, that's the way life should be lived, because guys, you don't know what's gonna happen the next moment. गोवा में कल रात जो हुआ है, हाँ, और people obviously the tragedy struck, the performers were performing, the visuals are coming, they were performing, and suddenly the tragedy struck and they all died. You don't know what's gonna happen the next moment. So guys, live it up, जियो, जिंदा रहो, खुश रहो. Thank you. देखो, मेरा पान तो अभी मैंने संभाल के रखा है क्योंकि मैं अभी नहीं खाऊंगी. देखो, मेरे I can't even have coffee because नींद नहीं आएगी रात को. हम तो ऐसे ही ये पियेंगे तो नींद नहीं आएगी, हॉट चॉकलेट पियेंगे तो नींद आएगी, पान खाएंगे तो दांत में फंस जाए. मतलब हम लोग करना सब कुछ है, जीते नहीं है. And then there are people like Rajiv ji and Minu ji. Hats off to them. They know how to live life. What intelligent talks, what intelligent topics we talk on. मज़ा आ गया, मान गया. I want to start living my life like this. I really hope I can. मुझे तो शर्मोशार हो गई हूँ मैं लोगों को देख के. I feel so old. I feel so old fashioned. 10:30-11 बजते हैं तो हो लेट हो गया, घर चलो. They don't want to go home only. They want to enjoy because they've come here for a vacation, and why shouldn't they? Live. कल हो ना हो guys. Live यार, live. Learn. Seriously guys, जियो यार, जिंदा रहो, खुश रहो. क्या होगा कल किसी को पता नहीं है. अगले पल में क्या होना है किसी को पता नहीं है. Be positive, be stress free, be happy, love, spread love. आज दोपहर को हम लोगों ने लव के बारे में बात की है. आप लोग बताओ आपके कमेंट्स में. Live.
मैं कदे झूमते पैमानों में होती हलचल, नशे में कौन नहीं है मुझे बताओ ज़रा, किसे है होश मेरे सामने तो लाओ ज़रा. दसा है सब में मगर रंग नशे का है जुदा, खिली खिली हुई जुबां पे है शबनम का नशा, बिना पिए भी कभी लब पे गुजरता है नशा. चलो
वाह,
आ जाओ, हाँ तो मजा
वाह,
हमें भी आ गया.
वाह. So guys, yeah, we are going to ask this question. I have to ask this question. मुझे आप लोगों को पूछना है आप इतने फुल ऑफ लाइफ और इतने पॉजिटिव कैसे रह सकते हो?
मोटे लोग हैं इसलिए आते पीते घर के पंजाबी
क्योंकि हम ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेते, खाने
टेंशन नहीं लेते हो.
नहीं लेने.
वेरी
ये
गुड.
कि खाना चाहिए, लाइफ में एंजॉय करना
I swear. See, I just told you, no tension, no stress. No stress,
जीरो.
be stress. No stress. शर्मा रही है. कोई बात
हाँ, अनुपमा जी आज थोड़ा सा शर्मा रही है।
हाँ शर्मा रही है. कोई बात नहीं.
मैं कोई नहीं शर्मा
अरे नहीं शर्मा रही है. बाप रे.
फिर बताओ क्या करना चाहिए हम?
वो
हाँ तो definitely guys be always see these people are inspiration. You have to learn from them. They are so full of life and so positive. I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are
Keep
very
up,
impressed
keep
with
up.
both of you.
Okay, thank you. Keep up with the good spirits and the positivity.
Hello. Anu.
yeah,
A message of positivity.
be happy. Don't worry.
No, it's supposed to be the other way around. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't
No,
worry,
be
yeah.
happy. Don't worry. Either ways.
No, don't worry, be happy.
If you're happy, then you will not worry. So it's okay.
No, but if you worry, then you won't be happy. No, so don't worry, be happy.
That's comedy right there.
Good night. Good night. Now finally good night.